Hi everyone. We recently had a super cyclone hitting Hong Kong, and that actually brings to the focus, or the forelight, what we do when we prepare for a storm. There are three critical things that need to be done when you're preparing for a storm. First of them is to prepare in advance. Preparing in advance means you actually ensure that you have adequate food, you have enough water, drinking water that is, because sometimes the water quality after a storm is not necessarily the best. You also ensure that you have food items that are not that don't perish quickly, because you never know when the food supply might run out. Another thing that you would like to prepare is safety supplies like sellotape. Sellotape is the easiest thing that you can use for securing windows to prevent them from rattling. Another thing that you might want to use is tarpaulin mats, just to cover everything up so that nothing gets destroyed in case the windows break. So that's the first part of it. The second part of it is to actually stay in touch with people. How do you stay in touch with people? You call the ones who you think are important, who should know where you are. They will fuss, they will make a big hoo-ha about, okay, you're in a storm, please be careful. Just hear that out. Let them know that you're safe and sound. And keep staying in touch with them for as long as possible. You never know you never know when the networks break down. At least they'll be assured till the last moment that you're safe. Another way to stay in touch, keep a radio with you. Radio waves are still used in disaster areas, and they're a very useful technique for staying in touch with the outside world, so ensure that you have a radio with you. Third thing is entertainment. How do you entertain yourself throughout this period of weathering out the storm? Well, you could keep books, you could keep magazines, you could even radios again. I think radios are a great way to keep yourself entertained. You can keep listening to music all the time. You can keep listening to news. Though, of course, a lot of the political news is something nobody would like to listen to. But yes, you could keep listening to it and entertain yourself. So these are my three things for preparing for a storm. Thank you.